thank you for sitting. Today we are gonna play happy kid and sad kid. Now can you all show me your happy faces? Happy, happy, happy. How do we look like when we are happy? Yes, look at that happy face. Good job, Olivia. Yes, Jack, we smile when we are happy. Happy, happy, happy. I see so many happy faces and it makes me happy. Good job. Now show me some sad faces. How do we look when we are sad? Yeah, they look like this. Yes, Denise, that's right. Yeah, Josh, that's right. We look like this. We are sad. Okay, now let's do the happy dance together, because when we are playing, we're gonna sing the song, happy song, and do the dance, okay? Happy means I like it. Do it more, do it more. Happy means I like it. Do it more. Can you sing with me now? Happy means I like it. Do it more, do it more. Happy means I like it. Do it more. Now let's sing the sad song, okay? Let's sing it like this. Sad means it's not nice. Don't do it. Please stop. Sad means it's not nice. Don't do it. Please stop. Yeah, good job. Look at those sad faces. Sometimes our friends make us happy and sometimes they make us sad. Can you tell me, please, when you get happy, what makes you happy? What would your friend do to make you happy? Can you think? If I am your friend and you're playing, what would I do? Let's try, okay? Oh, what if I come and when you're playing, I give you a toy that you like? Do you get happy? Yes. What if I say a good thing to you? Like I say, oh, Jack, your tower looks so tall. Good job. Yeah, and then you look happy. Now, everybody, I want everybody to go grab one toy that you like the best. Just one toy and bring it, okay? You can grab it from other areas and bring it here, okay? Now go, just one toy. Don't bring giant toys, just one small toy that you like to play with and bring it. Yes, good job. Come, doll is okay. Yeah, oh no, that car is too big. Get another smaller car. Yes, come. Good job. Victor, come, yeah. Okay, oopsie. Okay, Sarah, we don't play now. No sitting and playing. We come back. It's still circle time. Okay, sit. Good job, everybody sit. Now, I want a kid to come here. Let's say, Ashley, you come here. Sit. Come with your toy. Sit here. Okay, guys, see? Ashley is playing with her favorite toy now. Everybody's gonna do something that would make her happy, okay? Come, who wants to start? What would make Ashley happy? Okay, yeah, Ashley likes to play with dolls. Good job, Jax. If you give this doll, yeah, give it. Yeah, if you give it to Ashley, Ashley, do you get happy? Oh yeah, Ashley's happy. Now let's sing the happy song, okay, for Ashley. Happy means, look at Ashley's face. She's happy. We are gonna sing the song for her. Happy means I like it. Do it more, do it more. Happy means I like it. Do it more. Okay, now, thank you, Ashley. You can go sit. Who wants to be brave and be the sad kid? So you would come here and sit, and others would try to make you sad, but not for real, right? We don't want to make each other sad. We just want to try and see what happens if we make someone sad. Nobody? Okay, Miss Sarah, would you like to come and sit here? Yeah, okay. Guys, let's see. What happens if Miss Sarah is playing with her favorite doggy? Okay, Miss Sarah is playing. What would make her sad? Yeah, if you get the toy away from her. Yes. Johnny, do you want to come and try? Yeah, get the toy. Oh. Uh-oh, look at her face. How does she look? She looks sad. And what does a sad face say to us? Sad means, sing it. Sad means, sad means it's not nice. Don't do it. Please stop. Yeah? Okay, it's okay, Johnny, because we are playing now. We are playing happy and sad face. Okay, thank you. Guys, what if Miss Sarah is playing and we get balls? Can everybody get a ball? Yeah, get it? Okay, what if Miss Sarah is playing and is happy, but then without telling her, we are going to throw balls at her. These are soft balls. These are not going to hurt her. We should never hurt our friends, and we should never do this. But let's see what happens if we do that. Let's throw balls at Miss Sarah, not to her face, just to her body like this. Oh, yeah. Okay, Miss Sarah, how are you feeling? Now that we are all throwing balls at you, do you like it? Of course not, because we are bothering her, right? We should never bother each other. Okay, Miss Sarah, we are sorry we bothered you. Sorry, let's all say sorry. Sorry, Miss Sarah, we won't do it again. Okay, thank you. Now I want all of you to be together. Sarah, Olivia, you two together. Jack, John, you two together. Ashley and Addie, you two together. Sherry and Emily, you two together. Yeah, Zara and Fatma, you two together, okay? Now together, try to make each other happy and then sad, okay? And see what happens when you are happy. Your faces will show a happy face, and you can even sing the happy song. But when you are sad, when your friend is making you sad, then you can just show a sad face and sing the sad song, okay? What was the happy song? Can you sing for me? Happy means I like it, do it more, do it more. Happy means I like it, do it more. Sad means it's not nice, don't like it, please stop. Sad means it's not nice, please stop. Okay, now let's start. I'm gonna look at you and see how you make each other happy. Oh, so cute. Good job. Look at your friend. She's so happy. Happy kids. You're so nice to make each other happy. Yeah. Now, try to make the other one sad. Yeah. Oh, if you say a bad thing, they are not gonna like it. They are gonna be sad. Oh. Okay, we don't make our friends too sad. It is just for playing, okay? We don't say these things in real. It's just for playing and to see how we are gonna feel. Yeah. Okay, now that our friends are pretend sad, we can sing the sad song. Sad means, yeah, please stop. Sad means, please stop. And we stop, right? We stop and don't do it again if we mistakenly make each other sad. Okay, good job to you. Now let's end our circle time here, and the next time I'm gonna tell you about other feelings, okay? Now take the toys to their places. Yeah, let's try to always make each other happy. Happy faces are more beautiful than sad faces, right? Okay, happy kids. Now let's put the toys back from where we got them. And let's wash our hands and go to the kitchen for lunch. It's lunchtime.